Hey, what's up guys? It's Owinator here, and today I'll be teaching you how to get Minecraft Java Edition on your iPhone. So, let's get started. Okay, so the requirements for this are a PC running Windows 10 or later, an Apple ID, an internet connection, so like Wi-Fi, an iPhone or iPad with iOS 14 or iPad OS 14 or later, and a cable to connect your PC to your iPhone. Okay, so you now want to download these three files. So you want to download Alt Server, so you should get this here. You want to install Sidestore. Alright, and then I'll just wait for that to download. And you want to install Jitterbug Pair here. Also want to install iTunes and iCloud. I already have those installed, so I'm not going to show you how to do that. Now you want to get your cable and plug it into your PC. And you want to get this side of the cable and plug it into your phone here. And if this screen pops up at any time, then just trust the computer and do all the steps it tells you to. Okay, now what you want to do is right click the altinstaller.zip and press extract all, and then extract. So then it will create a new folder called alt installer. You want to open that. In this setup.exe, you want to double click that to run it. So I'm just going to open up this alt server setup wizard. You want to click next, 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 yes, and then you can close it to exit. Alrighty, so now you should have the alt server on your computer. All you want to do is run that. And it may look like nothing happened, but if you go over here, you'll see this little thing with the diamond shape, and that's actually our alt server. So you want to hold down shift and right click this. Left click, sorry. Hold down shift and left click that. And it says sideload IPA, and since your device is plugged in, then you should see it right here. So I'm going to click my device, and I'm going to click sidestore.ipa. And then I'm going to enter my Apple ID and password, because you do need to enter this. And then you can just click install. That Sidestore has been installed on your phone. So if you did all this correctly, then perfect, you have Sidestore. That's our first step, and it's finished. Amazing. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is right-click the Jitterbug Pair zip file and extract all. And then we can extract that, and you'll have this folder right here. You're going to open that, and with your device still plugged in, you're going to double-click the exe file. And then you should get something like this, a bunch of random numbers, .mobile device pairing file. If you have that, then you did it correctly. Great job. Now I want to find a way to get this file over to your phone. I use iCloud.com. So if you just type in iCloud.com, I'll also link it in the description. You can click sign in, and you can just sign in with your Apple ID. Okay, so now I'm logged in. Now I can go to the drive, which is my files, and then I can click this upload button here, show all files, go into this, and open that. Then it should put that in there, and yeah. Now I'll show you what to do on your phone. Okay, you should now get this file with the little download icon next to it. You just want to hold that and click download now. So now that it's downloaded, you want to close that, go on to Sidestore, and it says pairing file here. You can click OK, and it will go into your files. Then you can find your device pairing file and click that. Now you should be paired, and Side Store should completely work for you now. Okay, so next what we want to do is we want to head onto the App Store, go to search, and download Stick Debug. So you should see this. Now you just want to download that and wait for that to download. Then you also want to download an app called Stos VPN, and you can click download on that one too. So now you should have Stick Debug and Stos VPN. It might also automatically install Stick JIT. But now you want to open Stos VPN. You can do all this here and just press connect. And yes, you can let it allow VPN configurations. And now the Stos VPN is connected. You then want to download the latest pojav launcher version, which is 3.0. I'll link the download in the description. Okay, so we want to open Side Store here, click the little plus icon, and find our pojav launcher IPA. Okay, so here's my IPA file, net.kdt pojavlauncher.ios.ipa. I'm going to click that, and it's going to load for a sec there. And you should see refresh alt store, and you just want to click refresh now. And yep, we can click remove app extensions, and now we just wait for it to refresh. If it closes you out of the app, that's completely normal, and that means it's refreshing normally. And there we go, it's installing. And okay, so now we're in again. Click the little plus, scroll down and downloads. Okay, click the IPA file again, and it should load. Okay, and there we go. It says pojav launcher right there. It should also say pojav launcher on your home screen. So there's a problem now. If we launch pojav launcher and try to play, okay, so here it says waiting for JIT. Pojav launcher relies on just-in-time compilation for Java to work at maximum performance. So that's why we downloaded Stick JIT and Stick Debug. Okay, so now we want to open Stick JIT, enable JIT, and press pojav launcher. So now we'll open that up. And before we try and play, something that's usually go on iOS is if we go to settings, Java tweaks, and just lower our memory allocation here. So I'm just going to lower it down to 656. That's probably about all we need to run Minecraft normal 1.21.5. So now that that's lowered, we also want to go to manage runtimes, 1.17 and newer, Java 21. Now we can click play, and look at that. So it's not crashing. And we have all the buttons here. And you can see Mojang Studios right here. And that's perfect. Single player. We could just create a whole new world in creative mode. And there we go. We have our new world created. And this is Minecraft Java Edition on your phone. It's pretty cool, I think.